Good morning. We are here in my bathroom and today I'm going to show you my current skincare routine. I get a lot of questions asking me what I use on my face, so I thought I would show you the morning products and then maybe I will do a nighttime skincare routine. I am a sample queen, by the way, so I'm always at Sephora trying stuff on my face before I purchase it to see if I like it, because A, what if it doesn't react well to your skin, and B, what if it just simply doesn't work, and nobody wants to spend money and have that happen to them. So everything I use I love, and I'm always kind of switching up my routine unless I have a couple of staples in my morning routine and my night routine that I won't change. So I'm going to show you some of the products I have. Some are drugstore and some are high-end, so you get the best of both worlds. And yeah, let's go hydrate our faces.
So the first thing I do is I grab my headband and I secure that around my head because I don't like when my hair gets wet, and that happens very often if I don't use the headband. So I also double secure it with the hair tie. Then I grab my face wash. I absolutely love this face wash. Yes, it is a drugstore brand, but it works perfectly on my skin. It's very light and cleansing. I just rub that around my cheeks in circular motions. Make sure you get the forehead. Keep going around some, and then I go towards my neck because I think a lot of people forget they also have to wash their neck. Next, I just wash everything off lightly. Always use light hands on your face. You don't want to pull or tug anything, especially when you're patting down with a towel. Next is this awesome facial jade roller. I see this roller in a lot of people's beauty routines, and I absolutely love this. It's fairly new to my skincare routine. I usually put it into the freezer overnight and then take it out the morning of, because it just brings this really nice cooling sensation to your face when you roll onto your skin. I like to roll up and down and sideways, and then of course go underneath the eye, but very, very lightly because you don't want to pull any of that sensitive skin. I then go in with the Josie Maran Pure Argan Milk Hydrating Treatment, and you just take a little bit, you don't need much, 1 or 2 drops, and then you just pat it onto your face, forehead, chin, everywhere. Just get it on there. You can massage it in, and then I like to lightly pat it just to make sure that it's pressed into my skin. It's very hydrating and makes you very glowy. Then I go in with my moisturizer from Clinique, the Moisture Surge, and it brings so much hydration to your face, and it's a very nice jelly texture, which I enjoy. So I just simply put that into every section of my face, and don't forget to do your neck. A lot of people forget that your neck needs hydration as well, and then you end up with horizontal lines or a wrinkly neck, and nobody likes that. I especially don't. Next up is my eye cream. It's also from Neutrogena. I love this eye cream. It's very lightweight and it works really well with your makeup, which I enjoy. I'm always switching up my eye cream, so if you have any suggestions, let me know down below. But I need to be very sensitive with this area because I'm already seeing little wrinkles, which is weird to me. So to avoid the wrinkles, you gotta put on your sunscreen. I love how lightweight this sunscreen is, and it's especially sheer, so that is very helpful when you're putting on your makeup. You don't want to have white lotion all over your face. It just does not look right, and this definitely does not give that to you. I like to press it in over my eye cream, and that allows it to not move the moisturizer too much. And don't forget your neck. That's also very important. Next, I just use this lovely facial spray that has aloe and rose water, and it's just a great way to finish off your morning routine. I then just let out my hair, let everything down, and I am done.
Alright guys, that's the end of my current morning skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to buy some of the products, I will link all of them down below. Also, if you want to see a current morning routine, which I still have to get into after my skincare, I will film that as well. Just let me know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!